What's up everyone, this is Vince with Marvelous Marketing Online here with another video today on the newest Instagram updates in 2021. These are the latest updates for September 21 into October 21, or at least the ones I found. If you're into the newest and greatest Instagram updates, then keep on watching today's video. And before we get into today's material, I want you to make sure you already liked the video, you're already subscribed, and you already hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. Now let's get into it. Instagram update number 1. Instagram drops the swipe up feature, links for stickers. So if you haven't seen this feature or you haven't got it yet, basically what happened is instead of having the swipe up feature that usually had to have around like 10,000 followers or you had to be verified to have this feature, what Instagram did is they took this all away and they basically just gave you a sticker to put, and the sticker is your link sticker. So when you click on this sticker, you can put any link. And what's cool about this is that this opens all the doors for every consumer, every business that's on Instagram, because now you don't need 10,000 followers to get that swipe up. All you have to do is click that sticker and then put in your link, and then people can click on it. You can basically bring all of your followers or your audience into your websites, into your products. So it allows more of a fluid kind of interaction or fluid engagement from what you're selling to how people can buy it from you. And don't worry if you haven't still received this feature, it's coming your way. I know they rolled it out and it's coming slowly to more and more business profiles and other profiles out there. Just be patient, it's coming to you. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is how Instagram ranks your search. So search is used to find accounts and topics of interest. This is where you directly show Instagram what you like and what you're searching, and so Instagram can give that back to you. So let's say you want to search something like cupcakes, because you're into cupcakes. You want to search cupcakes in Instagram, so you go to the search feature and you type in cupcakes, and what's going to pop up, there's going to be profiles related to cupcakes, there's going to be hashtags related to cupcakes, and there's even going to be locations related to cupcakes. Basically, Instagram takes your input and what you're saying and it spits out these 3 things. Like, okay, this, you might like pictures of cupcakes, but you also might like locations of cupcakes, and you might just like profiles of cupcakes. All those 3 things. Instagram will show counts, hashtags, audio, reels, all that show, in this case, cupcakes. And what is the process? How does Instagram rank that search and what you're searching for, like cupcakes? What Instagram does, it takes your account activity. So let's say you look up a lot of cupcakes, a lot of dessert, Instagram's gonna show you more of that stuff. There are 3 main signals that Instagram uses to rank your search results. Those 3 are your text in search. So what kind of text are you inputting in the search? Your activity online, so that's the post that you like, the post that you're viewing, and how you've interacted with those accounts. And then the last one, the last signal that Instagram takes in is the popularity of the search. So of the posts that you looked at, which had the most likes, the most comments, the most shares, they take all those 3 things and rank them in your search. Okay, going along with search, the next thing is how does Instagram rank you in search? Because you want to be found, you want to be ranked because you want people to find you. So how does Instagram do that for you and your account? And first off, Instagram wants to help you be found in search. They want the people that are gonna like your content to find you. So they gave these 3 valuable tips to be found in search. So pay attention here, you gotta pay attention. So like I said earlier, search results are matched by the text people input inside of Instagram. So search results are matched by text, so you gotta pick a fitting profile name and profile photo. For example, if you do food, how about you do something like your name and foodie, or your name and like the city that you're in and eats, or something like that, because that's what people are searching for in the search bar. They're gonna look up San Diego eats, San Diego food, or California eats, or Los Angeles eats, or Colorado eats. They're looking those things up, and if you have it in your profile name, people are gonna find you more. Number 1 tip, pick a fitting name and have a really good profile photo so people know what you're doing when they stumble upon your profile. So along with picking a fitting name and a profile photo, you wanna put those keywords, those relevant keywords inside of your bio as well. You wanna include relevant keywords and location. Like I mentioned before, if you're in San Diego and you do food, San Diego foodie, put that in your name, and if you put it in your bio, you're more likely to pop up. People are more likely to find you. You're gonna be ranking higher in search just because you have those keywords, and if people are looking for those keywords, you're gonna be found. So include those keywords inside of your bio as well. For example, for me, I have in my bio best San Diego eats and best San Diego food, San Diego foodie. All of those are popular keywords that people who are looking for those things are searching for. So because of that reason, I'm gonna pop up. I'm gonna be one of the first people that pops in and people are gonna find. Also, don't forget to share your location or the city you're in inside of your bio as well. You can tag the city, you can put it inside of your bio, just so people know exactly where you're at, and that'll help you rank better in search. Ooh, and bonus tip, this is a good one right here. Make sure you put your hashtags inside of your caption. This came straight from the CEO. He said in a post, hey, make sure you put your hashtags inside your captions and not the comments, because Instagram focuses on the caption. That's where the search is gonna be found. Make sure you put the hashtags inside of the caption. And the last update that I found is the favorites feature. And I'm not talking about the save feature where you can save your popular post that you want to save for yourself. What the favorites feature is if you're scrolling through Instagram and you can't find your friend's profile, or you have a favorite account that you like to follow, when you use this favorites feature, it'll allow you to save those profiles so that they'll pop up more in front of you. So they'll be saved at the top of your feed. Because right now what Instagram does is it puts the most relevant and the ones that you've interacted most at the very top. So if there's a specific account that you want to see more of, make sure you see all of the posts, you just favorite it. And this will allow you to see more and more of their posts. This will in turn give you more control of what you want to see and when you want to see it inside of Instagram. So I know this feature hasn't been released to everybody yet either. Stay on top of it and I'm sure you'll get that eventually. So I hope this video was helpful for you today. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button, that you subscribe, and you already hit the bell notification so you're notified every single time I drop a video. And also, if you're looking to grow on social media, on Instagram, all those cool little platforms, hit me up. All right, I'll have my email in the description below, and just message me. We can get started working together. I'm here to help you grow on social media. So send me a message, send me a DM. I give you permission. I'm waiting. So thank you again for watching this video, and most of all, don't forget, be marvelous.